porcelain paver compaction. Our 3cm 6x12 porcelain paver is getting compacted with our Hardscape sand. We're using our black sand because of the borders that have their black basalt. Black basalt was used in the borders, and the Pietrolavica gray is the field. So we are compacting it, and we wanted to show you guys how strong our product is. You do not need to worry about it. You can just compact our porcelain pavers and you're never going to have an issue with it, especially when installing polymeric sand.